Today we're looking at how to use hashtags to drive more of the right audience to your Instagram. This is London End Wines, and they are based in Beaconsfield in Buckinghamshire. And they obviously stock some absolutely stunning wines and very, very passionate about what they do. As you can see here from the rest of their Instagram, their job is ultimately to sell wine, and they use Instagram as a kind of shop window, if you like. Now, what they've done here is they've given an absolutely stunning image, obviously, which would stop you in your tracks if you are a lover of wine or particularly looking for a particular type of wine or maybe a vintage, something like that. But the caption itself is what really captures it. So, here it's saying how incredible and rare it is. It gives you all the detail, which is really amazing. And it's saying a new arrival in stock, so please check out the website for more information. But look at this. It's all about the hashtags, because if you think about it, the hashtags are being used to entice new people to this feed in order to buy wine. So it would have to be a wine lover, it would have to be someone who's interested in this particular type of wine. And so what they've done is they've Googled different types of hashtags that could be used on Instagram to and by maybe wine lovers or wine connoisseurs. So here you've got hashtag wine lover, hashtag wine time, hashtag wine porn, things like that. And then they've done a great job as well here with a local hashtag as well. So anybody within the area that wants to support a local business can actually go and find the wine through that. And again, they've done London wine as well, as part of like their own hashtag, if you like. And it would come up with wine in London. So for me, it's just an excellent way of using hashtags to attract their ideal customer, focusing on, I suppose, almost like a sort of sommelier expertise, if you like. Now, if I was these guys, I would be wanting to understand a lot more about how social media is working for me. One of the best ways that you can do that is actually by comparing. So when you go into maybe in the dashboard, I mean, you can see everything from, like the content that you've got scheduled in. You can, you can do comments, you can do mentions, you can engage with people, you can manage your ads. But one of the best things, one of the easiest tools that they could use is here on the left would be their best post. And they can quite literally compare themselves to any other business. Now, if you look here, so this is Tiffany, but it could literally be any of these businesses, or they can type in their own. So it could be, like another wine brand. It might be like a really big wine shop, for example, if they want to get a bit of inspiration. All they need to do is choose it, and then they can automatically start comparing and contrasting to see what is working well for social for them versus their competitor. Now, as always, if you've got any questions, click on the little blue button. Love to help.